Hey, here's some video of the high energy ignition relay that I put in recently. So the relay, I mounted it on the firewall. I got 12 volts coming off the battery. It's fused, and then I've got 12 volts running down the line where the coil ignition wire normally ran. And then over to the electronic ignition. You can still see a tack wire in there. I haven't got a tack on it yet. So basically that's 12 gauge. I know a lot of people like to go heavy, but 10 gauge, but 12 gauge is what I use. So then you can see the ballast resistor. That's where the old coil wire was connected to, and it still is. This is coil wire. And then the one from the other side that comes from the ignition, I just spliced in some additional wire there, and that's what trips the electronic switch or the relay. So full 12 volts. While we're looking at this, I'll show you the Jeep. I'm going to fire it up. Dedicated grounds for coming off the dash and off the relay as well for the ignition. One of the biggest problems with these Jeep relays and the electrical problems with failure. Anyway, that is the CJ fired up.